Alright, GM and welcome to Coin Nexus and Keys. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure to like and subscribe. So today this video is going to be basically on how to interact with Mango testnet. So Mango testnet has been live for the past few days, and this is just a video on how to interact properly with the testnet. So first of all, what you need to do, sign up using this link, right? I'm going to drop a link in the description below. So after signing up, you move over here, you can see events, right? So the first thing you need to do is to sign in, and you have to be doing this daily. When you do it daily, you gain points, right? So first of all, you click on sign. I missed a few days here, so let me just sign, right? Sorry, I'm approving transaction on my wallet extension. You might not see it, but I'm trying to approve a transaction here, right? So, all right, you can see signing successfully, right? Then the next thing you need to do, all right, you can see over here, the task you basically need to do is to swap, Mango Bridge, the index beta, the app, the index the app. This one is available on your phone, like Android and iPhone. Then this is Discord. You have to claiming Mango test coins. So first of all, let's claim test token, right? So you click on it, right? You see, so you click here, go to do tax. It's going to direct you straight to the Discord server, like Mango Discord server and the Mango Faucet channel. So let's get there right now. Let's wait for this to load up. Let's wait for this to load up. Alright, so you can see this is the Mango Faucet channel on my Mango Discord server. So let me copy my wallet address. So let me copy my Mango wallet address. What you're going to paste here is your Mango wallet address, right? So you tag at Mango Faucet. Let me see. At Mango, is it tag Mango Faucet? Then you paste your wallet address and send, right? So after sending it, you come back here and you click submit. So I think I missed an information here. After signing up, you need to download this Mango wallet from Chrome Web Store, right? So after installing it, you save your key phrase, right? So then you move back here, events. You can see events. So we've done that task, right? We've done that task. Then the next thing we are going to do is Mango Swap. So you come over here, you click Mango Swap, right? You click on Mango Swap. Now, what are you going to do? Swap Mango to USDT, swap USDT to MAI, swap MAI to USDT. So remember that these are test tokens. You can't use them, right? These are just test tokens just for the purpose of testing. So you come over here, go to do tax. You can do everything just from that link. You don't need multiple links. You get. So you just come over here, go to do tax, right? So Mango swap. Then you select Mango, right? So any amount you wish to use. I want to use 0.4. Right, you come over here, you select USDT, right? So let's wait for this to really be alright. So let's submit. I'm approving transaction on my wallet extension. You might not see it, but that's what I'm doing now. So you click approve. Right, you can see success. Then what's the next thing we need to do? The next thing we need to do is exchange USDT back to MAI. So come over here, you can see USDT, change this to MAI. So how many USDT should we change to MAI? I want to use 0.8, right? So let's use 0.8. You click submit, approve transaction and wallet extension. So that's what I'm doing right now. Approve transaction. Alright, success. Then the next thing we are going to do is to swap this MAI back to USDT. So what I'm going to swap is 0.02. You could flex the amount. It's not necessary you use what I'm doing here. So approve transaction and wallet extension also. That's what I'm doing now. Approve. as you can see, success, right? Then you come back here, you click submit, submit, submit. After the system has processed this process your transaction to confirm you actually did it, it's going to be marked as completed and your points will be awarded, right? So let's go back to this. So the next thing you need to do is Mango Bridge, right? You click on Mango Bridge. So after clicking on Mango Bridge, it's going to take you here, right? What you're going to be doing is you bridge from Mango network to BSC, from Mango to ETH, from BSC to Mango, from ETH Sepolia to Mango network. So you come over here, go to do tax, you click on it. So then you connect your wallet. Let's select network first of all. Mango test network. Connect it. Select assets. What asset are we going to be swapping? Let's use USDT. Then you can see here, connect wallet. You connect your Mango wallet. Mango wallet is connected already. Then you can see BSC network. So connect OKX. Alright, so how many USDT? 0.003, whatever. Let me see 0.02. Right, so submit. Approve transaction and wallet extension. That's what I'm doing now. Approve. Alright, you can see transaction successful. So we've done this. Submit. Then now we have to swap from Mango network to ETH Sepolia. So we'll come over here. It's already on Mango network, so let's come here and select ETH, right? So how many are we going to be bridging? So let's do 0.02 as well. Then select here what token, select USDT 0.02, get code, submit. So let me approve transaction on my wallet extension also. Approve. Let's wait for transaction to, you can see transaction successful. So you come over here, you click submit. As you can see, this one is marked as completed, means it's been confirmed. So let's come here, BSC. What you're going to be doing is BSC to Mango network. So you come over here, you click this, you connect BSC, then select token. What token do you want to use? Let's use USDT. Connect wallet, right? And you come over here, select Mango test network, USDT. So 0.02. Again, you can flex the amount. It's not necessary you use what I'm using here. So right, so from BSC to this. So submit. My wallet extension automatically change the network to whatever network I want to transact with. So confirm transaction with my OKX wallet. Alright, let's see, let's wait. Let's wait for the transaction to be processed. You can see still loading up. Alright, let me confirm transaction. Alright, the transaction has been submitted. So that's that. You can see it's marked as complete. Let's submit. Then here from ETH Sepolia to Mango network. So come here, ETH test network, right? ETH. So how many are we going to use? 0.003. Let's just use that. Okay, 0.001. Submit. Approve transaction and wallet extension. That's what I'm doing. It might not see my wallet extension, but I'm actually viewing it from my end here. So you can see transaction has been submitted to chain, right? So you click here, submit. So after the system has processed this, your points are going to be awarded, right, to you. So the next thing is Bindex the app, right? So you come over here, convert AI to USDT, convert USDT to AI. So you come over here again, go to do tax, you click on it, right? And there is a part here that actually confuses a lot of people or give people difficulty. So what we're going to do, you come over here, you scroll down, you click this, right? Now you can see buy. Let's just buy 25%. Come over here, you click buy. Approve transaction on your Mango wallet extension. So I'm approving right now. Alright, I think we just bought operation successful. Now come over here to sell. Sometimes most people won't have any balance. If you see this part here, you can see 1.49 AI here. Some people actually see this as zero on their end. So if you experience something like that, you come over here, you can see this wallet sign here, you click on it, you will see if you have any AI token to trade with, you will see it here. And if you see something like that, just click on extract and your balance here will be updated. So let's sell 25%. So you click sell, you click sell, you approve transaction and wallet extension. I'm trying to approve transaction and wallet extension. Alright, you can see operation successful. You come back here, you click submit, you click submit. So after that, my points will be awarded, right? So then the next thing you need to do is this Bindex app. Now you need your phone for this, right? So you can see you can download this app on your Android or on your iPhone, right? So and then connect Mango wallet to receive gas, and that's all. So you keep doing this to end point. So basically this is just all about the tutorial. Ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.